Hello students, welcome to your English grammar topic degrees of comparison. Today we are going to learn degrees of comparison. In this video you will learn identify the positive, comparative and superlative degree of an adjective. Identify the rules of using the degree of comparison given adjective. Change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning of the sentence. Adjective degrees of comparison. When we use adjective to compare person or things, we are said to be using degrees of comparison. The same idea can be expressed using positive, comparative and superlative degree. There are three kinds of degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. The size of this box describes about the degrees main concept. The rules of the degrees of comparison are: we add er and est to the more one or two syllable words that ends in consonant. For example, dull, duller, dullest. When positive words ends in E, we add only R or ST to the adjective. For example, large, larger, largest. When the positive words ends in a consonant Y, we drop Y and add IER and IEST. For example, lucky, luckier, luckiest. When the positive adjective word is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most to the form comparative and superlative degree. Now, for example, handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Now we will see positive degree concept with the rule and example. The positive degree of an adjective is used to describe a single thing or person. It simply describes the existence of a quality. Positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, place without making any comparison. We can use as, no other, very few words to make positive degree. For example, Raj is tall. In this sentence, you can know the height of Raj, that he is tall. She is beautiful. Here, her beauty is described in a sentence. Now we will see the comparative degree concept with the example. Comparative degree is referred to a greater degree of adjective as compared to positive degree. The comparative degree of an adjective is used to compare two persons or two things with other. To compare two objects, people or place, we use than and preposition in comparative degree. We compare their qualities, quantities, size, etc. Example: Sheena is smarter than Pranay. Here, the smartness of Pranay and Sheena has compared with each other. This house is bigger than that house. In this sentence, the size of two houses has compared. Now we will see superlative degree concept with the examples. The superlative degree words ends with the est or we write most before the adjective words. For example, longest, most faithful. It is the highest degree of quality. We use superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. For example, he is eldest son of the family. It is the worst day of my life. There are some adjectives which are called irregular adjective. Now here we will see the concept of irregular adjective of comparison. There are some adjectives that completely change their spelling while changing from one degree to another, as they didn't follow the norms of degree. They are called irregular adjective. For example, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, good, better, best, little, less, least. In these all words, you can see the change between the spellings while changing from one degree to another, but the meaning doesn't change. When a word completely changes its spellings while changing from one degree to another, it is called irregular adjective. Formation of the degrees of comparison of adjective. There are many words in comparison of adjective. Here we go. Positive, comparative and superlative. Strong, stronger, strongest. High, higher, highest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Red, redder, reddest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Many, much, more.